What's up, YouTube, and welcome to another episode of Finance and Freedom. My name is Todd, and today we're talking about Bitcoin and that it's on sale. Today, Bitcoin has taken a big dive. In fact, the last several weeks, it has not gone very well for Bitcoin. And it's kind of a pullback, a retracement on Bitcoin, which is perfectly fine. I think it's going to hold probably around the 105, maybe down to 100K, touch and go down there. But right now, it's at a killer deal. Right now, it's at 108,342. And I think sometime in the near future, maybe a year or two from now, we're going to look back and be like, man, I really wish I could buy Bitcoin at $108,000 because that is a killer deal. Traditionally speaking, you can see the chart for today. It's a kind of a bloodbath. But traditionally speaking, if you look at the history, September has always been bad. In fact, August has not been great either, averaging 1.22% from the inception of Bitcoin. August has always struggled, and so there's no reason to think that this is going to be any different. You can see the last 4 years, August has all been very negative. So I don't think there's anything to worry about. September has also historically been very low, and so I think this is a chance to buy more before the huge hike up toward the end of the year. I don't think this is anything to be afraid of. I think this is something to be celebrated. A big thing that triggered this whole event, and it seems to be kind of cascading down, is a whale, a guy who owned 2.6, I think that's the number, $2.6 billion worth of Bitcoin, sold it all. And so that kind of triggered the market, made everybody freak out. Some positions were sold, and now Bitcoin is struggling to maintain its current price. The fact that a whale can sell off $2.6 billion and it only comes down from all-time high of 124 down to 108, I think that shows a lot of maturity for Bitcoin, the fact that it can hold even after someone sells off that much. I'm actually thrilled that it can stand the test of time that way. And so I think we have nothing but smooth sailing ahead. Like I said, August and September, I think are going to be pretty rough. And so if you have a substantial sum in Bitcoin like I do, these next 2 months are going to hurt, but hold on, I think we're going to enjoy the final months of the year. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.